Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is the 2018 Ford 340 BMW. We have a couple of videos how to fix it. You know, like if you look at the video, how the engine was just messed up, and the front, you know, like the heat was here, and all the engine go back, and we have to replace because the engine is not turning. We finished that. There is no key in the car. We found that the ignition module, you see this one here, there is no power coming out of one of those legs. So we changed this one. We took the engine computer out, we read the ISN, and we made a key. We took the FEM module from the right side, and we are able to read and generate the key for this car. But when we put it back, because of a lot of stuff that are missing and everything's upside down, we are not able to reprogram the FEM module. No communication. It's giving us very hard time. And the car ignition is coming on, but we have to start the car by jumping the starter wire, you know, like the starter directly, the car starts. But there is nothing there. So we did everything to start it. It is not working. So finally, we're able to, hold on, let me show you. We adjusted a couple of things, but finally we are able to start. The problem is it's how it started. Okay, let me. You see what the FM. We took that FM module, same car, 2017, 18, and I was able to reprogram the FM module, activate it, put the software on it. But what happened is, after I finished that, I bring it here. See the other video. Now it's starting. Also, we don't have the amplifier, all the other stuff in the back, we don't have it. But what happened is, after I'm going to show you that car now. The one that we took that one, we put this one here. We put it back, the car is start. But we put the other car FM module back. That car light. I put this here all the time. I start this car. Happen here is this car is done, Sangat, so we are going to the next step on it. But please follow the other video. It's related to this video. Thank you. In another video. This